So, my duck project for 4-H, the ducks just hatched yesterday or this morning, and we have a tub around the corner over there. Want to show it? And we're gonna put the ducks in there for their first time ever swimming. Hi. Okay, ready? Oh, you guys are soaking wet in niacin water. Ugh. Ugh.
Okay, let's take them. First time in water. Imagine what this would feel like, being a duck, not knowing that you're an absolute expert at swimming.
You can't drown. You got some oils in you. Okay. Ready?
How about you put them on the rock there and see what happens?
Yeah.
On the brick.
Oh.
They must be just freaking out. This is awesome! They float so easily too. What kind of ducks are these, Sav?
Muscovy ducks. They're
Muscovies.
one of the best meat birds out there. Uh-oh, you stuck there, bud? Let's move this a little bit back so you don't fall in the corner there.
Hey, buddy, what do you think? There's one little yellow guy, all yellow.
Okay, there
And
we
the
go.
rest are kind of a splotch yellow-black. Although he's mostly black.
And we
But
got
this
a
guy's all yellow.
Yellow-gray, yellow, and a yellow-black, and a black.
Oh,
Sure.
what do you think? What do you think of the water, bud? Pretty cool? You got the good duck paddle shuffle there. Oh, wipe out. Wipe out.
This guy's
He's
excited.
He's just cruising, Mr. Yellow Submarine, bro. He's just digging the water. Okay, well, maybe it's a little chilly for them. They're not really that. This is much cooler than their little aquarium with the heat lamp, so I think they're ready to go in. This is just a nice little taste. We'll take them out tomorrow for swim number 2.